A lot of you have been asking, is it okay to start our business during COVID times? And actually, I see this as an opportunity for entrepreneurs who are already there in the industry as well. Wherein I always say the world has pressed a reset button. Things are going to be very different post-COVID for every one of us. Even if you have been in business since last 3 to 5 years or maybe more, this gives you an opportunity to restart. This gives you an opportunity to reinvent. This gives you an opportunity to rethink the strategies, the workings, your team, the training part that you do, the product range that you are already have been catering to the market. So this is a brilliant time for all of us to start afresh. And as far as the sales and all is concerned, again you will have to rework your business models, wherein how are you going to sell, who are going to be your target audience. You are going to cater to a lot of people in the market or very few in the market. What are going to be your margins? Again, it is completely up to you. For students who want to start their business, I would say अगर 3 से 5 साल आपने education लिया है, why do you want to just wait? It is not that once you go out to the market and things will fall in place for you and you will be up and running. There are very important aspects. As an entrepreneur, you will need to learn and develop yourself, develop certain set of skill sets which are required for you to be an entrepreneur. As far as fashion designers, fashion stylists are concerned, most of their lives they spend struggling. We have come across a number of them. That is why I can give you a brief idea, because they have not learned the skill sets that are required in the market to survive for more than 2 to 5 years. You have a brilliant product which you have already learned how to make, how to design in your schools, wherever you have studied. But post that, once you are there in the real world, the scenario is very, very different. Just having a decent product doesn't work. The number one thing, all of you, whether you are a startup, you are thinking of starting, or you are already an established player but never worked on these lines, first thing first, you need to have clarity in your business. When you have complete clarity, you know what you are going to do and where you want to reach in the next 3 to 5 years time frame. That's very, very important. That's the vision that you have to set. Now, to achieve that vision, you will need a business model, right? This is my goal. This is my end goal that I'm looking for my business to reach in the next 5 years, maybe 3 years. And how am I going to reach there? That's going to be equally important. And once you have this business model, you again have to go deep into it and start thinking, what is going to be the product range that I'm going to make? What is going to be a problem that will be solved by the product that I make? What is the service part that I'm going to improve on, which nobody is doing, right? What is going to be the need base? Is going to be a need based problem where I'm going to help others. Once they buy my product, I'm going to solve a lot of problems for them. What is going to be my positioning? How am I going to differentiate myself from my competitors? Very, very important. Normally, if you are an established player, never bother to study your competitors. This is a brilliant time for you to do that, because the world has pressed a reset button, and if you are restarting, you need to study your competitors. You need to know why is your customer who was loyal to you over a period of time gone to him. What is it that he is doing differently that you have not been doing over the years, right? Very, very important to analyze your business. This crisis is giving you all an equal opportunity to restart. So do not wait for the COVID to end. You never know, it's 6 months, 12 months, 1 year. We are not sure about when is this crisis going to end. But one thing you can definitely do is find solutions to all these answers and then try to execute them. All the best.